Youngshin Farm Machinery has developed and supplied eco-friendly organic weeding machines to farmers. Eco-friendly organic weeding machine can be used to all crops, including soybeans, cabbage, potatoes, and corn, etc. It not only provides oxygen to the ground and makes it soft, but has high drainage, which is good for crop germination and growth, increasing yields. It's possible to adjust not only the width of the leavee, but also the hill depth by adjusting the blade height during the hilling work. There are two models of eco-friendly organic weeding machines, one for riding management and the other for tractors depending on the farms.